A joint operation by the J&K police and Haryana police has led to the recovery of about 360 kilograms of explosives that included an AK-47 rifle and ammunition from Faridabad. The discovery was made in connection with arrested J&K resident doctor Adil Ahmed Rathar from Anantnag, who gave out details about one of his associates identified as Dr. Mufassal Shakil. Later, Shakil was taken into custody from Haryana's Sona. Shakil then gave out details of cache of explosives that were stored in a house at Faridabad during interrogation by the police. The police has also nabbed a Muslim cleric in connection with the case as the investigation continues.
रेड्स के दौरान यहाँ पे लगभग 360 केजी के आसपास इनफ्लेमेबल मटेरियल है जो कि संभावित अमोनियम नाइट्रेट है। मैं क्लियर करना चाहूँगा कि इट इज़ नॉट आरडीएक्स। मैं इस बात को क्लियर करूँगा क्योंकि कई जगह ये चल रहा है, तो मैं क्लियर करना चाहूँगा इट्स नॉट आरडीएक्स। तो ये इनफ्लेमेबल मटेरियल है। इसके अलावा कई और ऐसा सामान जो टेरर एक्टिविटीज़ में जिनका संभावित इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है, जैसे टाइमर्स, लगभग 20 टाइमर्स विद बैटरीज 4, और इसके अलावा कुछ अन्य सामान है जो है यहाँ बरामद किया गया है। साथ साथ ही जो है जो फायर आर्म्स में एक कैरन कॉप राइफल विद 3 मैगजीन्स एंड 83 लाइव राउंड्स, एक पिस्टल विद 8 लाइव राउंड्स, 2 एम्प्टी कार्ट्रिजेस और 2 एडिशनल मैगजीन्स हैं जो इनसे जो है रिकवरी की गई है। और इसके अंदर जो है अभी जो है कार्रवाई जो है दोनों की हमारी जॉइंट पुलिस की कार्रवाई जो है जारी है।
Dr. Adil Ahmed Rathar, a medicine specialist and former resident doctor, belongs to Kazigund region. Earlier, he worked at the Department of Medicine at Government Medical College, Anantnag, and was arrested by Jammu and Kashmir police from a private hospital in Uttar Pradesh, Saharanpur. While Dr. Mufassal Shakil, a local of Pulwama, is a medical student in Al-Fala Medical College, police recovered the stash of arms and ammunition from his rented house in Faridabad. Although the police have not been able to capture the third doctor of the group, the J&K police, acting on precise intel that it received, took rather into custody over his alleged involvement in plastering propaganda posters of the banned terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed, that is across the Srinagar city last month. Authorities, backed by the Joint Interrogation Center, Anantnag, even carried out a raid at the college premises and recovered another AK-47 assault rifle along with ammunition from Dr. Rathar's personal locker at GMC Anantnag. An investigation is now underway to trace the weapon's origins, the motives behind its possession, and potential links to broader terror activities. And for more on this, our senior special correspondent Idris is joining us live on the broadcast. Idris, quickly, if you can once again run us through the details given out by the police about this terror module that's been busted.
Well, it's been one of the most shocking cases in the last 10 years in Jammu and Kashmir, where 2 doctors who've been arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir police now are involved with the terror networks. It all started around 2 weeks ago when Jammu and Kashmir police had access to the CCTV footage in Srinagar where a person was seen posting up posters of Jaish-e-Mohammed outfit. Later on, he was identified as Dr. Adil Rathar. He was earlier working at the GMC Medical College in Anantnag but had shifted to Uttar Pradesh's Saharanpur. Police finally caught track of him and went to Saharanpur to arrest him. And after he was arrested, there was an interrogation done wherein he revealed that there is an AK-47 rifle lying at his locker room in the Government Medical College of Anantnag. It was recovered, and later on he also gave a name of another doctor, which is Dr. Muzammil, who is also called as Dr. Mufassal Shakil. He was later arrested from Faridabad, wherein he was interrogated as well, and later on he gave the details about the place where all this ammunition was kept. The ammunition, which included around over 300 kgs of explosive material, along with an assault rifle, which is believed to be an AK-47, and also a pistol with communication devices as well. Now, what Jammu and Kashmir police is saying that they are on a lookout for third doctor who is from Uttar Pradesh. They are looking for him as well, and there are going to be multiple arrests made in the next couple of days, as they have been able to catch hold of a few of the doctors, while as the network could be much bigger. This has come as a shocker for the people of Kashmir Valley, because in the last at least 1 decade we have not seen highly educated people like both of these doctors, but MD doctors, involved in any terror activities across Jammu and Kashmir, and not only in Jammu and Kashmir but UP and Haryana as well.
Idris, just a quick follow-up question. Talk to us about the Jaish-e-Mohammed angle here that has also surfaced, one. And also, what do we know about the Muslim cleric also who's been taken into custody in connection with the same probe?
Well, at the moment, what we are being told by both Jammu and Kashmir police as well as the Haryana police, they've said that investigations are still on. They're going to arrest more people in the coming days, as the investigations have revealed that it's a big network of people which is involved in this whole setup. On the other hand, what we also know is that Dr. Adil, who was putting up posters of Jaish-e-Mohammed, could be a part of Ansarul Ghazwatul Hind, although there is no clarification from Jammu and Kashmir police at the moment. But he was seen in the CCTV footage putting up posters of Jaish-e-Mohammed, which is a banned terror organization in Jammu and Kashmir, 2 weeks ago, after which the Jammu and Kashmir police had also thought that this is a poster gang that is involved in this whole setup, but later on they got to know that this is not only putting up of posters, but they are also carrying out arms and ammunition from one place to another. Dr. Adil Rathar was in possession of AK-47 rifle already in the Kashmir division, which was recovered from his locker in one of the medical colleges in South Kashmir, while as later on, when he gave the name of another doctor, it was revealed that they had access to more explosives and arms and ammunition.
Yes, Idris, thank you for getting us all those details. We will keep coming back to you as and when more details emerge.